if you open up Snapchat and it keeps logging you out, one potential reason is because you have Snapchat logged in on another device. So if you have another iPhone or an Android or any other, your iPad, anything like that, and you've logged into Snapchat, it'll log you out. So make sure that you're using Snapchat just on your main device. So if you don't have Snapchat logged into any other account, the next thing that we can do is we can tap the little profile icon at the top left here. And then at the top right, we can tap the gear icon. And then let's scroll all the way down and hit the clear cache button and hit clear. And what this does is it kind of resets and restarts the Snapchat app and clears a lot of kind of bugs that might be logging you out of the app itself. Now, if that doesn't work as well, another common reason why people get logged out is because Snapchat might be down or not working properly. So let's open up Safari here, and you can use Chrome as well. And let's just say, is Snapchat down? So once you type this in, down detector is a great option. You can tap on that. And you can see that there's no all of a sudden huge spike in reports that Snapchat is down. If it does report a huge spike, in Snapchat, errors or messages that people are logged out and all that stuff, then it could be just Snapchat servers that aren't working properly. And that's why you keep getting logged out of the Snapchat account itself. So this is the last thing that you can check to make sure that Snapchat servers are not down. If needed, it might help. You can go out of here and just tap and hold and hit remove and delete the app and then reinstall the Snapchat app. That might help as well. But again, clearing the cache in the second step does a lot of help towards kind of clearing up any of those bugs within Snapchat itself. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.